Guys, give it up for Anthony Monroe, ladies and gentlemen. We have Jenny on bass, Chris on guitar, and of course we have Abby on keys, ladies and gentlemen. Maraming salamat. Guys, okay magsawa sa akin. Sabi ko okay magsawa sa akin. We'll be back here, by the way, on June 12. Ay, July 12 pala. June 12 kahapon. Ano, babalik tayo. July 12, guys. So, you guys can come back and watch us again. If you fancy that. Okay, we have another hero. I'm free and so we were right. Don't we work. Build a home and watch it. Sure kayo dyan, ha? Sige. Pagin mo ng pera. Baka naman, dyan lang. Okay, everybody. Bago to, guys. Dai, you have to stand up. Come on.
Kotse mo. Match na match ako kulay black. O, go Kuya Poy. Puka na Kuya Poy. Sige na, pasok na kayo. Pasok na. I love my IG. I'm never get rid of IG. Huh? Kaya ba? Bye. Ingat. Bye.
Ay, yung binabang pa nga. Bye,
Bye. See you on July. Kinlose pa niya. See you on July 12.
Sorry guys,